the drag paradiddle number 2. Not the double drag paradiddle. I know you want to call it that. I do, but it's the drag paradiddle number 2. All right? It's like the number 1, but we're going to add one more drag onto the beginning of the rudiment. All right, so we're going to start with a single accent. There's one accent, a soft drag, another drag going into a paradiddle. So it goes like this. Right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, paradiddle, left, right, right, left, right, right, paradiddle, right. Keep those taps low. Okay, we're gonna go low and slow. If you want it to be funky and you want it to groove, you want to get as much contrast between your accent and the taps and the grace notes. Okay, so a big accent and then get everything else nice and low. So we got to make sure we play a nice control stroke, downstroke, and then stay low. Check it out. I'm going to raise all those taps, and it's not going to sound quite as funky. Just don't have the contrast, right? Clarity's not there, so work on keeping those taps low, accents nice and big. The drag paradiddle number 2.